Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a Canva file as Microsoft PowerPoint. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Canva app on your phone. Once you do that, open the app. On the screen, you can see there is project option right beside home. Tap on it and projects are gonna load. Now select the project you want to turn into a Microsoft PowerPoint. And on the top of the project, you can see there is a 3-button menu. Tap on it and select download. Once you select download, you can see there's a drop down menu. Tap on it. At the end, you can see there's PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint document option. Tap on it, download. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.